What if I told you that with just $25 a week, you could be on your way to making $5,000 a month? Sounds impossible, right? Stick with me, because today, I'm going to show you exactly how this small investment can lead to big results in 2025. Let's dive in. In today's video, we're uncovering a powerful strategy that transforms a small, consistent investment into a significant monthly income. Whether you're new to investing, side hustles, or growing your financial portfolio, this method is straightforward, beginner-friendly, and achievable. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn just $25 a week into a $5,000 monthly income. So, grab a notepad and let's get started. The mindset shift. Before we dive into the actionable steps, let's talk about something equally important: mindset. Many people underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. They believe that building wealth requires massive capital upfront, but the truth is, consistency beats intensity every time. The key here is to think long-term and stay disciplined. $25 a week might not seem like much, but over time, it builds momentum. This strategy works because of two principles: compound growth and leveraging opportunities. Here's an example. Imagine planting a single tree every week. At first, it may seem like nothing is happening, but over time, you'll have a thriving forest. Similarly, $25 a week might feel small now, but it can create a financial forest that yields fruits for years to come. Ready to see how it works? Let's break it down. Step 1. Invest in high-growth assets. The first step is to put that $25 to work by investing in high-growth assets. Here are 3 beginner-friendly options: index funds and ETFs. Index funds like the S&P 500 track the market's performance and have historically delivered average annual returns of around 8 to 10%. By investing $25 a week in these funds, you're not just saving money, you're growing it exponentially. For example, if you invest $25 weekly at a 10% annual return, your money could grow to over $14,000 in 10 years. That's the power of compounding interest. Platforms like Vanguard and Fidelity offer easy access to low-cost index funds and ETFs. These are perfect for beginners who want to build wealth passively. Dividend stocks look for companies that pay consistent dividends. These stocks not only grow in value, but also provide passive income. For example, investing in a stock that pays a 4% annual dividend means you'll receive payouts regularly, which can be reinvested to grow your portfolio faster. Use platforms like Robinhood or M1 Finance to find reliable dividend-paying stocks. Cryptocurrency optional for risk takers. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum have shown high returns in the past. While they're riskier, to minimize risk, focus on established cryptocurrencies and avoid speculative projects. Use platforms like Coinbase or Binance for secure investing. Step 2. Build a scalable side hustle. Investing in the only way to grow your $25 a week. Combine it with a scalable side hustle to accelerate your earnings. Here are a few ideas. Digital products. Use platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify to sell digital products like templates, ebooks, or courses. With a small upfront cost, you can create products that generate passive income for years. For example, if you're skilled in graphic design, create social media templates and sell them online. A $25 investment in tools like Canva Pro can help you create a professional-looking product. Freelancing. Invest $25 into tools or courses that sharpen your skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer countless opportunities for freelancing work in writing, graphic design, video editing, or social media management. For instance, a $25 course on platforms like Udemy could teach you high-demand skills like copywriting or SEO. These skills can earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. Affiliate marketing. Start a blog or YouTube channel like Moneywise and promote products you love. With just a small investment in website, hosting, or content creation tools, You can earn commission-based income that scales as your audience grows. Focus on building trust with your audience. Recommend products or services that genuinely add value to their lives. Print-on-demand, design custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Websites like Printful or Teespring allow you to sell products without holding inventory. Invest $25 in creating eye-catching designs and market them through social media. Step 3. Automate and diversify. Once your investments and side hustle start generating income, the next step is automation and diversification. Automate investments. Set up automatic weekly deposits to your investment accounts. This ensures consistency and removes the temptation to skip a week. Use apps like Acorns or Stash, which can round up your daily purchases and invest the spare change. Reinvest profits. If your side hustle earns $500 in a month, reinvest some of that money to grow your business or add to your investment portfolio. The faster you reinvest, the quicker your earnings compound. For example, reinvesting profits from a print-on-demand business into ads can help you reach more customers and boost sales. Diversify income streams. Don't rely on just one source. Combine dividends, side hustle income, and other investments like real estate crowdfunding to create multiple streams of income. This ensures stability and reduces risk. Explore fractional real estate platforms like Fundrise, where you can start investing with as little as $10. The power of patience and consistency. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Building a $5,000 monthly income with $25 a week requires time, patience, and discipline. Remember, success is about persistence. Think of it like planting seeds. You may not see the results immediately, but with time, your financial garden will flourish. Here's a quick recap of the steps. Start investing your $25 weekly in high-growth assets. Build a scalable side hustle to boost your income. Automate your savings and reinvest profits for faster growth. Diversify your income streams to reduce risk. By following these steps consistently, you can achieve financial freedom by 2025. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to turning $25 a week into $5,000 a month. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Moneywise for more actionable financial tips, and share this video with a friend who's ready to transform their financial future. Comment below and let me know, what's your first step going to be? Are you starting with investing, a side hustle, or both? Let's chat in the comments.